Derek and I just finished our outdoor Mediterranean pizza oven room. For these double-faced walls on the inside, we used our exclusive Heartland stone, bottom of the ocean floor, 1-inch veneer. This side here is the wave side. You can see the waves going over the sand. On the other side here, we used the fossil side. So this is a double-faced veneer. The fossil side is smooth and will give you a little more of a contemporary look. For the caps, we use bluestone, but we had Dana in the shop brush these caps. Look at the texture you get. It lightens it up and it fits perfectly for the Mediterranean design. For the patio, we used our Heartland stone, flagging, 1 inch, the blue and the caramel mix, and we made it 100% permeable because we used the epoxy grout and set it in crushed stone. The prep table is Greek marble, and then the star of the show is our post-World War II pizza oven.